Decock the gun by pressing down on the striker decocking button or pressing the barrel catch lever to decock the gun. Open the action and access the breech plug. Remove the accelerator breech plug and inspect the barrel to be sure your muzzleloader is unprimed, unloaded, and free of obstruction. Remove the fore-end stock screw and fore-end from the barrel assembly using the 4mm Allen wrench provided. Remove the fore-end and barrel from the receiver. Using your 4mm Allen wrench as a punch, slowly push the safety button from left to right and remove it from the buttstock. Remove the butt pad using 2 fingers to depress the buttons. Remove the stock bolt and stock bolt washer with a 6mm handle wrench. Carefully slide the buttstock from the receiver. Remove the striker retention spring from the striker retention pin. Completely remove the striker retention pin from the receiver using a small punch. Depress the barrel catch lever to remove the striker assembly. Then remove it from the rear of the receiver. Lightly oil the striker assembly and inside of the receiver. Then lightly oil the trigger, sear, striker stop, and mechanism pins. Apply 1 drop of quality gun oil to each side of the part's pivot points. Do not over lubricate. Reverse steps to reassemble. Store your muzzleloader in a cool, dry, secure area. Do not store in a gun case to avoid condensation and corrosion. During long periods of storage, periodically check for signs of pitting or rusting on the surface and in the barrel bore. You have now successfully completed detailed disassembly and cleaning of your Maxim 50.